Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Dia and Craft. You are watching today uh, mm, palm leaves, palm decoration ideas, Dia Sunday decoration. You are watching different ideas and crafts with palm leaves and palm plants. Sunday decoration ideas you are watching on the screen. Your Sunday church decoration and home decoration, uh, different ideas, beautiful and unique ideas, palm leaves and palm plant decorating ideas, dear palm leaves craft ideas. You are watching the beautiful uh, and unique ideas, easy and simple ideas of palm uh, plant decorating, dear palm Sunday decorating ideas. You are watching uh, beautiful idea. You are watching the flower and palm combine decorating ideas. You are watching beautiful stage decorating with palm. You are watching the palm craft, leaves craft decorating. You are watching the church decorating with the palm leaves. Your Sunday decoration. You are watching the palm tree decoration. You are watching the palm plant decorating in the church. You are watching the dice decorating with the palm plant. Beautiful idea. You are watching wall hanging with the palm vase. You are watching the palm vase decorating stage decorating. You are watching the palm leaves crafts uh, and decorate. You are watching the flowers and palm leaves combine decorating. You are watching the palm leaves craft made the crescent. You are watching the flower and palm leaves decorating idea. You are watching the crescent decorating with the palm leaves. You are watching the palm branches decorating. You are watching the flower making with the palm leaves. You are watching a vase decorate with the palm leaves. You are watching the church decoration with the palm branches. You are watching the lighting crescent decorating with the palm branches. You are watching the wall decor with the palm branches. You are watching now the flower and palm